most of the foreigners who are in South Africa, when they go back to their countries, they learn a lot. So sometimes there is a reason why people are chased here in South Africa. God has something to do with those people. Those people, they are going to raise their economy. You know that sometimes you can have a pain when South Africans, they say, go back to your country, what, but it gives you power, energy to fix your country as people. You don't wait for someone, because in your country there is no Indians, Somalians, and white people who are taking care of business like here in South Africa. So you have got 100% chance to have businesses in your country, to do something. Other people, they learn how to mix, to do some sunlight, to make soap. Guys, most of the people, they learn a lot through South Africa. How to make a tinned fish, they learn a lot. Even Coca-Cola, cold drinks, how to make things in industries. Other people are working in industries. Other people are working in farms, especially those who are working in farms. They know how they are doing oranges, apples. They know how they are doing grapes. So their economy is no longer the same. It's not going to be the same economy. They are going to do something better because they learned a lot here in South Africa. Even it's just a color sometimes. Black people, we have got a fear that how we can run a business as a black person. You say Indians are the only people who can run business good, or white people are only people who can run the business good. But as black people, we can do the same thing what they are doing. Only it's only to be skilled. You can do your farming, how you can produce things to produce tissues. Guys, many of Malawans and Zimbabweans, they learn a lot how to make tissues. You understand? How to make soaps, because they are working on those industries. How to produce milk, how they can do those farm gate milk, spa milk. Most of the foreigners are working on those farms, on those industries. So their economy is not going to be the same. They are going to do better in their economy, because now, guys, people, they are still grieving. It's like a funeral now. People are tired. They are tired. But later on, after 6 months or after 1 year, people are going to stand up and work. So it's not about God. They've got a reason why South Africans are chasing foreigners, because they want for those people to do better in their economic countries, because most of the people are being relaxed here in South Africa. We forgot we have to go back to our countries.